thing about you is you are very loving and caring person. You are my best friend. I and you have a unbreakable bond. I am proud you are my loving, lovely daughter. I love you. Mwah.
Good thing about you is you are my second mother and I share many things with you. You make me realize that I have grown up. You are the first to hear my newfound wisdom and I'm lucky to have you as my sister and a best friend. Love you.
Hi Roni, how are you? I hope everything is going good. And yeah, the one best thing about you is you're a wonderful human being and sweetest of all. And definitely a great cousin of mine.
You're the sweetest cousin I ever had. The one best thing about you is you're good by heart, beautiful by your looks, and I love the presence of mind you have.
One of the best thing about you, not only you're my childhood best friend, you're one of the most energetic person. The best part about you is the way you laugh. When you laugh, you light up the entire room. The aura around the room, it changes. You make the situation so bright. So you have the best energy, the best laugh. You are one of the most jovial person I've ever come across.
I mean, you are the bestest person I've ever known in my life, and thank you for being there in so many situations in life. Even you know that, and I've learned so many things from you. I'm really thankful for that. You are the hottest, coolest, prettiest, and the craziest person I've ever known. I love you so much, and I wish you many more happy returns of the day again. I love you so much.
On this occasion, I would like to share one thing about you. No, let me make them two. That is how charming and bold you are. I hope you stay safe. Yes, you love you. You're really a very fun-loving person to be with. Really enjoyed a lot being with you for 2 years as you met.
And one thing that I really like about you is the way you have concern for people, and the way you care for people is really amazing. I really love that quality in you.
The best thing I like in you is your caring nature.
And one best thing about you is you have been super friendly with whoever you met. So keep up that and all the best for your future.
People have asked me to describe you in one word, but there's so many words to tell about you. You are a very trustworthy, dedicated team player and absolutely very modest, and it keeps on, the words are on and on.
The one best thing about you is whenever, even if I don't call you for almost like 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or whatever, so however you still think that I'm your best friend. That is one good thing about you. Alright, that's a joke in which ways. Your one best thing about you honestly is you're a good hearted person, and you're always a wonderful human being, and I have never seen you changed. So no matter what it is, what kind of a situation, you have never changed. You have like always been the way how exactly you are supposed to be, and that's one good thing about you. And please don't change, be the way you are. And you're getting older, you're supposed to like okay, get married as soon as possible. I hope this year you're gonna get married.
The best part of Ronika would be she's a very fun-loving person and she's very friendly. And
One thing I like about you is your positive attitude.
And one thing about you is you're very bold. Be like that, and be a spicy. Thank you.
You've been very bold, and I like the way you express the situation and the scenario. Very openness, friendliness of you.
So one thing what I would like in you is you always be happy and make people to be happy around you. And one more thing that I would like to tell you is you always value our friendship a lot. You know, enjoy time ಮಾಡಲಿ enjoy ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, and you know, when we are walking we all work together, but trust me, we don't work that seriously ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ. Obviously we all will work together. So apart from work, personally ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ you know you are a very smart girl ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
One very best thing that I have to tell you is, actually I do not have one thing, I have plenty of things, plenty of best things to tell about you. You are such a tender person at heart. I've never seen a person as tender as you. Number one, you're such a kind person. You're such a genuine in everything that you do. Absolutely honest and trustworthy and true person I've ever met. So I am so privileged to be your friend. You are one person who values friendship more than everything else, and the true essence of love and compassion that you produce is immense and very commendable. Thank you so much for being my best friend.
One best thing about you is you are such an amazing move on girl.
Wish you a happy birthday to Ronika. May God bless you forever and ever.
Happy birthday, Roni baby. God bless you. May all your dreams come true. May success touch your feet.
Happy birthday, Akka. May all your dreams come true. God bless you with health, wealth, and a successful future ahead.
Hi Roni, and yeah, it's a birthday today. Many more happy returns of the day. I wish you lots of happiness, health, and as well as more success in your life.
Hi Ronika, wish you happy birthday and may all your dreams come true. Stay safe, may God bless you with lots of love and happiness in your life.
Hey Rons, happy birthday. May God bless you with lots and lots of love and happiness.
Many more happy returns of the day, Ronika. May all your dreams come true, and wish you all the best in your life. All the best for your future, and do well, and may all your dreams come true, and may God bless you.
Happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and lots of love. Take care.
A very happy birthday, Ronika. May God bless you. Let all your dreams may come true. Have a great year ahead.
Many more happy returns of the day, Ronika.
Hi Ron, many more happy returns of the day. Stay safe, stay healthy and be happy forever.
Hi Ron, happy birthday. Very happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true, and may all your life be full of happiness, joy, and immense pleasure. So, give you all the happiness in life. That's all I wish for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Roni. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Roni. May God bless you with good health and prosperity.
Hi Roni. May all your dreams come true. Enjoy your day with lots of love and happiness. Be safe. Take care.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ronika. One thing that I like about you is you're a very happy and loving person.
Hey Ronika, wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all your success and happiness.
Happiest birthday, Ron. May this year be filled with lots of joy and success.
Trust me, you're a wonderful human being and very down to earth. Many happy returns of the day, Ron. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day. Very soon we'll meet you, and ನಾನು BMW ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. See you very soon, and ಅದೇ BMW ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. Very soon. Wait for it.
Hi Ronika, many more happy returns of the day. It's been a long time since I met you, and yeah, it's your birthday. I wish you all the best.
Hi Ron, fact that you were born, we got one more reason to celebrate. Wishing you a happy birthday. All the best. Have a great year ahead.
Hi, happy birthday, Ronika.
Happy birthday, Ronika. Auntie wish you very happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday,
बोला happy birthday बोलो. Happy birthday बोलो.
Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Hey Rons, happiest birthday to you. God bless you. May all your dreams come true and have a fantastic one. Stay safe. Bye. Meet you soon.
Hey Ron, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. I love you so much.
Hey Ronika, birthday. I hope your big day is as wonderful as you are. You are my boon companion. May you get all of the good things you deserve. Love you.
Hi Ronika, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. I wish you all happiness and success in your life. May all your dreams come true. Take care. Happy birthday once again.
Hey Ron, I would like to greet you on occasion of your birthday. I wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you, all your dreams come true. You're like a blooming flower at the mountain top, at the ray of sun in the morning. How it blooms up is which defines your character. Many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Hey Ron, many more happy returns of the day. It's such a joy to celebrate your birthday in a virtual fashion like this. May God bless you with richness in your health, your wealth, your prosperity, your wisdom and whatnot. Everything that you have will increase more and more this year onwards. And very importantly, we hope next year birthday you will be celebrating with your future hubby, okay?
Hi Ronnie, happy birthday. I hope you stay blessed, happy and healthy.